Good day, students. Advocate Bapusaheb Bhunde High School, Hanavla, welcomes you back. Myself, Mrs. Naira Sheikh, your English 1 teacher, has brought up a new video. Today's video is going to be a little different, as we are all going to be learning to be small little chefs. Before we begin with our video, students, let's go through the sight reading words. The first word is cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Second word, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Third word, coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R, coriander. Fourth word, peanut crush. P-E-A-N-U-T, peanut, crush. C-R-U-S-H, crush. Fifth word, ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Sixth word, napkin. N-A-P-K-I-N, napkin. Seventh word, mixture. M-I-X-T-U-R-E, mixture. Eighth word, jaggery. J-A-G-G-E-R-Y, jaggery. Ninth word, laddoos. L-A-D-D-O-O-S, laddoos. Tenth word, knead. K-N-E-A-D, knead. 11th word, dough. D-O-U-G-H, dough. Last word, crush. C-R-U-S-H, crush. Be a chef. Chapter number 26. Students, this chapter of yours is going to be an activity-based chapter. That means you need to perform this activity by yourself later on. To begin with it now, delight your family with these tasty and nourishing dishes. First, we see a salad. What goes on in a salad? Now, students, have you ever wondered the salad that you relish eating? How is it made? No. Come on, let's see it in this lesson. To make a salad, you need 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 medium-sized cucumber, cabbage, coriander, peanut crush, 2 heaps of spoonfuls, salt according to taste, pepper, a large pinch, sugar, a quarter spoon, and lemon, 1 teaspoon. You can also add ginger, a small piece of it. Students, are you aware that you have to be consuming salad in your daily diet? It is very good for you. Now, how do we make the salad that we are all talking about? To make a salad, first we need to clean and wash the vegetables well, so that all the germs or all the pesticides, insecticides that are present onto these vegetables are washed off. Later, you need to pat them dry with a clean napkin or a towel. Once it's done, grate the carrot and the cucumber. You may peel the cucumber, cut off both its ends. Then cut off both its ends. Taste the slices to make sure that the cucumber is not bitter to taste. If the cucumber tastes bitter and you add it to your salad will also turn bitter. Grate the cabbage now till you have 2 tablespoons of grated cabbage. Now you can mix the grated carrot, cabbage and the cucumber together. Sprinkle a little salt onto it. Also add pepper on the mixture and add a quarter spoon of sugar. It adds on to its taste. Now once everything is grated, you can also grate ginger using a small little grater. Add the grated ginger to the mixture. Add the juice of half a lemon to it. Add the crushed peanut. Mix the salad well. If you like, you may add pieces of small chilies to the salad. Put the salad now in a clean bowl. Once it's done, wash coriander. Cut it and garnish it with the salad. Let someone taste the salad. Ask if you need to add more salt or sugar or lemon juice to the salad and adjust the taste. So, if you think that there is something missing in the salad, students, you can always ask your parents to taste the salad and check whether everything is in proper proportion. And then look at this lovely, relishing salad that you all can have. Now, after we finish with the healthy diet of having salads, it's now time to satisfy your sweet tooth. For that, you require certain materials. Materials like the roasted peanuts. How much now you will take of them? Yes, you need 2 small bowls of roasted peanuts. For that, students, remember, you don't need to roast them yourself. Please ask the help of your parents to do so. Jaggery, half a bowl, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now, how do you really need to make it? To make this, you need to peel and crush the peanuts first. But remember, the peanuts should be roasted. Next, you require to crush or to slice the lumps of jaggery. I hope you all like jaggery, students. It tastes really yum. Knead and mix the peanuts and the jaggery well, adding a little ghee if necessary. Once the entire mixture is ready and you have roasted the peanuts properly, please note that you need to put it in the mixer and grind it into a paste, and then add jaggery to it. And when you're kneading it, you require to add a little ghee as well so that the lumps are formed properly. When you knead it well, the mixture will look like a lump of dough. You all might be sure that you see your parents or you may see your mother for most kneading the flour of dough to make your chapatis. So this dough also would be something similar, but it needs a little less effort to do so. Taking a small proportion of the mixture at a time and shape it into a ball. Your peanut laddoos are ready. So once you take the mixture into your hand, you have to give it a shape of a ball. See that there are no cracks into it. And once you're done so, you can decorate it into the plate. And then it's time to have these yummy and delicious laddoos. Students, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. I would now request everyone to kindly subscribe to our channel to avail further notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.